hands down my eyes, and a lot of eyeliner. That was obnoxious. They're hurting. I'm not used to wearing earrings. Plus they're like 25 cents. I guess I could just put on some Ariana Grande and dance around my living room. And I'm just sitting here with my cat and my bourbon, which is weird. Oh yes. We're gonna pretend. Hey, how you doing? Welcome back. I did a little kind of party New Year's Eve look because it is almost New Year's Eve. LA still shut down, so I'm not going anywhere, but I pretended I was. I even have my hoops on. Hope you like it. Keep watching. What are we gonna do? Going in with the Anastasia Brow Wiz. Starting with the brows as always. Oh God, I'm almost out. Brush them up. Trace the bottom. All right, now we're gonna prime our eyes. I got the new Makeup by Mario Prep and Set. Is that what this is called? What is this called? Did I just make that up? No, Master Eye Prep and Set in shade Light, which I have not used yet. This is the first time. Very nice. We're gonna just combine them. Ooh, it's so smooth. Whether it actually works, I don't know, but it looks great. Then I'm gonna set it with the powder, which feels lovely. I think I'm gonna use all old MAC eyeshadows that I haven't used in ages. I'll just start with some matte white. This is Vanilla. It's just a matte white shadow. And I'll just throw this all under the brow and the inner corner just to brighten everything up. I'm gonna go in with Bamboo, which is just this really light neutral brown. And I'll throw that all over the crease. Now I'm gonna go in with a darker brown. This is Saddle. It's still a pretty neutral brown shade, but a little bit darker. And I'm just gonna use a fluffy brush and pack this in the crease area. I'm actually gonna take it down. I'm gonna do my whole lid with it. We'll just do it all. Now I'm gonna go in with this dark kind of browny purple color. It's called Blackberry. It's a little purple, it's a little brown. It's great. We're gonna go in with a fluffy blending brush. And we're gonna put this lower in the crease. And I'm bringing it out just a bit. I'm covering this half of the lid. I'm going back in with Saddle, and I'm gonna blend those colors together and bring Saddle up a little higher. Now I'm gonna go in with Ricepaper, which is this slightly gold, slightly shimmery shade. And I'm going to pack that all over the inner corner of the lid. And then I'm gonna deepen that outer corner with the Blackberry. Now we're gonna go with some black coal liner. This is Ardency in the Modster black coal. And we are going to put that all over the lash line. And then we're gonna wing it out with a brush. So I'm gonna make it kind of thick on the outer corner here. I'm gonna smoke it out with shadows, so it doesn't have to look perfect. So now I'll go in with a small little angled brush and we're gonna smoke that out and wing it. And I'm gonna go in with this tiny little smudging brush and some black eyeshadow, matte black. And I'm gonna brush it all out. Yes, baby, shit's cold. So now I'll just go in with my Maybelline Falsies mascara. And then we'll throw on some big lashes. This acne. Okay, so while my camera overheated and was cooling down, I put on these insane lashes. It's Sasha number 11 by Huda Beauty, and they're insane, but whatever. Now I have put on my moisturizer. We're gonna move on with the face. Oh my God. Okay, we're gonna prime with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. My skin is horrible. Apparently stress and chronic depression is not good for your skin. Now I'll color correct with my Naked Skin Urban Decay color correctors in peach and green. Use peach to cover all the darkness on my forehead and green to cover all the redness around my nose. And on the pimples. Yeah. Now I'll put on my favorite foundation, the Makeup Forever HD NY355 with a beauty blender. And I'm gonna go a little heavy down here because that's where all of my breakouts are. And I'm out of foundation. Now we'll go in with our concealer, the Nars Creme Brulee, in all the usual places, inner corners, outer corners, and all the highlighting spots, and then on my pimples. Now I'm gonna go in with some cream contour. I'm going to use Amber by Fenty Beauty. It's a very like cool ashy brown, which is great for contouring. And we're just gonna draw little lines where we would contour. Now we're gonna warm that all up with some powder bronzer. I'm gonna go in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer in rich amber and a little contouring brush. And I'm just gonna go over all of that with a little of this powder. Now I'm gonna set my under eyes with this MAC Light Plus Mineralized Skin Finish and a fluffy powder brush. And I'm just gonna set under my eyes and my nose. Where is anything? Now I'm gonna set the rest of my face with Laura Mercier powder and a big what? Puff. Oh my God. Again, I'm not gonna use too much since I'm super dry. Now we're gonna finish our eyes. So I'm gonna make a little shimmer under the eyebrows. So I'm gonna go back in with Ricepaper. Was that kind of shimmery? It's actually more like a sheen, kind of gold color. And I'm gonna put that under the eyebrows. Now I'm gonna line my waterline with the black kohl liner on the top and the bottom. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of black eyeshadow and this little tiny smudging brush, and we're gonna do the tiniest little smudge right up under the lash line with black shadow. And making sure to connect it to that liner on the top. Now I'm gonna go in with this color Sketch, which is this really dark purple. It's got a little bit of shimmer in it and a pencil brush. And I'm gonna put that under the black on the lower lash line. Now I'll coat the bottom lashes with mascara. Now I'm gonna go in with this Party blush. What is this, Tarte, I think? It's pretty mauve blush. For highlighter, I'm gonna go in with Becca Opal, which is a really pretty kind of gold, kind of white highlight and a fluffy brush. And I'm going to put that right above my cheekbone and up my temples to my eyebrow. Now I'm setting my brows with the Anastasia Brow Gel. I'm gonna start with MAC Plum Lip Liner. I'm gonna color it in a little. Now I'm gonna go in with KKW Nude 3.5. Now I'll set it with my setting spray. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. I feel ready to go out. Oh, hoops! I need hoops. Hoops. Oh my God, I haven't worn earrings all year. My holes are closing. Oh fuck, I think I just re-pierced that. Yeah. Okay, so this is a great New Year's Eve look, or if you have anywhere to go. I'm living like a hermit, so I'll be going nowhere. Thanks for watching. See you later. Come on, baby. I don't have anything to do. I don't have anything to say. I am useless. These lashes are heavy. So I'm drinking some bourbon, hanging with my cat. So stupid. Right, Lola? Jesus. Just drink your bourbon. Shut the fuck up. My favorite things in life, my Lola and my alcohol. You're so annoying.